In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Razer BlackShark version 2X to Razer Synapse and explain why it may not appear in Synapse and show you the best alternatives for configuring your headset. So the first thing that you need to do is connect the headset. Plug your Razer BlackShark version 2X into your PC. If you have the standard model, connect it using the 3.5mm audio jack. If you own the USB version, connect it to an available USB port. Wait for Windows to finish installing the audio drivers dramatically. And then, you want to make sure to ensure that the headset is recognized by Windows first. After that, you need to install the Razer Synapse. Download and install the latest version of Synapse from the official Razer website. Launch Synapse and sign into your Razer account. Allow the software a few moments to scan for connected devices. And then after that is you need to check for detection. Here's the important part. If you are using a standard Razer BlackShark version 2X, you may notice that the headset does not appear inside Synapse. According to Razer support and multiple official support responses, the BlackShark version 2X is not supported by Razer Synapse and therefore won't be detected by the software. Now, question is, why it doesn't connect? The reason is simple. Most BlackShark version 2X model uses a 3.5 analog connection, which transmits audio only and doesn't provide the data connection required for Synapse device detection. So many users attempted the USB adapters or troubleshooting found that Synapse still does not recognize the headset because the model itself isn't officially supported. So, what you can do? Instead of Synapse, you might want to try using Razer 7.1 surround sound software if it's included with your headset, or the 𝗕𝗋𝗋𝗄 spatial audio software for additional audio customization. You might want to also try the window sound setting and equalizer software for audio adjustments. Razer support specifically recommends 𝗕𝗋𝗋𝗄 spatial audio as an alternative for the BlackShark version 2X users who want advanced audio controls. So if you're wondering how to connect a Razer BlackShark version 2X to Synapse, the answer is that the headset is generally not supported by Synapse and cannot be detected by the software. Instead, use the available surround sound and audio customization tools provided by Razer or Windows. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.